Peace, lovies. This is Amira, also known as Blissfully Mindful, back at ya with another fun vegan recipe. I love to do these every so often. Today we are making Instant Pot vegan chili for under $10 in under 30 minutes, and it serves a family of 4. So you will not want to miss this one. Stay tuned.
You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
All right, let's get started. So, like I said, this recipe will cost you under $10. All you need are 3 ingredients: kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, and any brand of crumbles that you want. So first, we're going to get started with making our crumbles in the frying pan or whatever. So just put a little oil and just stir them all up. Get them slightly brown, a little slight crunch, not too crunchy, not all hard, not all hard. But any brand of crumbles, I use Beyond Meat. I didn't feel like going all the way to the health food store to get that. So this time I just used Gardein, but Gardein is good as well. Gardein, if you're vegetarian, I guess you can use Morning Star, any kind. Next up, we are going to go over to the Instant Pot while the crumbles are cooking and pour the crushed tomatoes into the Instant Pot, and follow that up with pouring in you're going to get your kidney beans. Now I got 2 cans of kidney beans. I guess, I think you need 2 cans. Yeah, because I got the 1 big can of tomato and then 2 small cans of kidney beans. Or I guess you can get 1 big can of kidney beans, whatever you want to do. So by then, the crumbles will be done. So you're going to add those in as well. Like I said, give them only a slight tenderness, not too hard and crunchy, because some people overcook the crumbles. They don't need to be cooked that much. And then from there, you got all your ingredients in the Instant Pot. So you're going to start adding your seasoning, whatever seasoning you want. Just throw it in there. And I think I put, I think right there I'm putting paprika, some seasoned salt, and some Italian seasoning if you want, or some chili powder, whatever seasoning floats your boat. Just just put it in there and go ahead and mix all of the ingredients up. And now in this Instant Pot, you have definitely got to make sure that you mix the ingredients well, because I saw an error message for the first time. I had never seen it, but it said burning or whatever. So I guess the something was burning on the bottom of the pot. Yeah, so it gave me that error message. So definitely make sure, if you are using the Instant Pot, to make sure you stir it up really well, because I don't know if I stirred it up well enough. So I use the meat stew setting, but I would suggest actually to use the soup broth setting instead, because that ended up being way too long and it didn't need to cook that long. As you see here, it's already done and it cooked in like 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, literally, before it even hardly heated up, I had to turn it off. For one thing, the burning thing came on, but yeah, I would say no longer than 5 to 10 minutes. So you can definitely use that soup setting. But look at this deliciousness. It is so rich and hearty. It came out perfectly. So this is one of the first times my Instant Pot recipe turned out well, and I was really proud of it. I was like so proud, like a proud mama. Yes, because I have tried this thing in making different recipes so long, and it takes some getting used to working with this Instant Pot, but for this chili, it's perfect. Look at that. It's so hearty, and these small cups honestly were more than enough for 1 serving. More than enough. We definitely were full because it's so rich and hearty. But just look at that. I will fool any meat eater any day. Yes. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications, because I will be doing some more of these fun recipes. I'm going to keep on working with my Instant Pot, trying to get better at it. But anyway, follow me over on Instagram at blissfully.mindful. Thank you all so much for joining me. Love you. Bunches and bunches and bunches of chili. Make you some chili. Comment below on how it goes for you if you do try this recipe. You may add some other things in it as well. But either way, just let me know in the comments. Love you, sunflower smooches, peace and love, and I will see you next time. Mwah.